Good day everyone. Our task for today is to describe how to separate mixture using hand picking. We have here picture A. What does it contain? Okay, very good. Beans and corns. How can we separate beans from corns? Okay, very good. We can use our hands to separate the beans from the corns. Okay, next picture. What does it contain? Okay, stones and marbles. How can we separate stones from marbles? Okay, very good. We can also use our bare hands to separate the mixture. Another, we have picture C. Again, what does it contain? Okay, very good. Now, how can we separate grains, nuts, and fruits? Absolutely, absolutely correct. We can use our bare hands to separate some of the components of the mixture like nuts and the different fruits that are present in the mixture. Okay, in everyday life, we use a number of mixture and one need to separate useful components from the mixture. Thus, the separation of substance is performed by various methods like hand picking, threshing, sieving, and winnowing. Separation can include separation of stones from rice, separating bran of flour, and separation is done to remove impurities and to get a useful product. Mixtures are combinations of two or more substances not chemically bonded, where each substance retains its chemical entity and properties. One of the techniques to separate mixture is through hand picking. For instance, a mixture of grains and corns can be separated through hand picking by using our bare hands. Okay, one of the technique in separating mixture is through hand picking. As we can see, we have here a mixture of nuts. We have also green peas and corns. Some are chips. So as you can see, the mixture is separated by the bare hands by picking some components of the green peas, components of the chips, and nuts. So the technique used in separating the solid components of a heterogeneous mixture is hand picking. The components of the mixture should be big enough to be seen and picked up by our hands or forceps. Examples of mixtures also that can be separated through hand picking are grains and mango seeds, nails and pins, sliced fruits, and rice grains and pebbles. Okay, I have here some activity to test whether you understand our lesson or not. So all you have to do is to draw a smiley face beside the mixtures that can be separated through hand picking. Okay, and to check your answer, okay, number 2, 3, 4, and 5 are separated through hand picking. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you.